In this video, we will discuss how to find the determinant of a matrix in scientific calculator. Calculator name is FX991ES plus second edition. So to find determinant, first we have to give the input values to the calculator. So press mode button. Here we see sixth option is matrix. So press 6, select mat A and select 3 into 3 because here we are taking 3 into 3 matrix. Give the input values to the matrix 2, 3, press equal to 1, again 4, 1, 5, 3, 2 and again 2. So matrix is stored in the calculator. Now press shift and 4. Here we will get the operations of matrix. Seventh option is determinant. So select 7. We have to select mat A. Determinant came, but we have to find the determinant of which matrix? Matrix A. So again press shift 4, select mat A, third option. So determinant of matrix A is 10.